The new year is upon us, and many people will resolve to improve their health. While motivation is typically strong at the beginning of the year, work to make smart changes to avoid resolution fizzle and promote lasting changes.
And when making changes to improve health, finding time every day or week can be a challenge. So having some recipe ready and ready to heat and eat options is a great strategy to overcoming this barrier of time and keep you consistent with your resolutions throughout the year.
And of course, a staple in any well-balanced diet is plenty of fruits and vegetables. So keeping options like shortcuts on hand that are an easy, quick, and on-the-go choice. A favorite at this time of year for me are soup starters, which can quickly be added to a slow cooker with a lean protein for a hearty winter meal.
I love those, especially for squash, that it can be kind of troublesome to peel and cut, so it's already ready to go for you.
Easy
Perfect
solution,
for
yes.
squash.
Yeah.
And we don't want to forget about canned options either. Canned fruits and vegetables can be every bit as nutritious as their fresh counterparts. So looking for options that are simple to add to recipes like diced tomatoes, canned beans, carrots, beets, and fruit cups, of course. And we want to make sure we're looking for vegetables with no added salt if possible, and canned fruit that is in 100% juice or water. An easy way to identify those better for you options is looking for pick well tags at your local food city. So the Dietitians pick heart healthy and no sugar added tags on food city shelves or when shopping online is easy.
So I think people always want to know, what do I need to look for? I love that program problem solves that for you. Another hack for packing in more produce is keeping a variety of frozen fruits and vegetables on hand. These are great for stir fries, to bulk up pasta dishes or casseroles, or of course a quick smoothie. The benefit of these are going to have a longer shelf life, and oftentimes we can find still those choices like you mentioned with less added salt, less added sugar, and also if we're worried about our budget, this is a great way to balance our budget with a mixture of fresh and shelf-stable products.
Especially like you mentioned for when they're out of season. You can enjoy fresh berries
All year round,
round. Yeah. And a component of a balanced diet and sustained energy levels is whole grains, which are going to provide more fiber and B vitamins, which are critical for a healthy metabolism. And because whole grains contain all parts of the grain, they've got the bran, the germ, the endosperm, they tend to take a little bit longer to cook. So finding those kind of ready to cook or microwave ready options is going to save time in the kitchen. Look for microwavable quinoa. Even whole wheat pasta only takes about 10-14 minutes to cook, and is a great quick addition to lunches and dinners.
Yeah, and that's an easy swap, just adding in more whole grains, which Pickwell can also help you identify at Food City. Another component of a balanced meal that tends to require the most amount of time to prepare is the protein. So opting for pre-cooked proteins is a great way to save you time in the kitchen. You can also look for a mixture of lean animal and then of course plant-based proteins. So looking for choices like Food City's pre-cooked shrimp or our Full Circle Market frozen shrimp. You can also do hard-boiled eggs, canned tuna, or our convenient pouches with chicken or fish. And then of course, don't forget about those plant-based options like canned beans, lentils, or even peanut butter. Those are great choices to get that protein on the go.
Yes, absolutely. I love the variety that you mentioned too. And eating well does not have to take a lot of time. Put your best foot forward in the new year by keeping a few key ingredients on hand to support your wellness goals without requiring a ton of preparation. For recipe inspiration and more ideas to assist with meal planning, visit foodcity.com.